big congratulations to Emma, his wife, who's doing a wonderful job holding down the fort. Lockie's made his way back today, so hopefully